Hello and welcome back to Grace by God, one song, one truth. Today's song is 353, Lota Nukmoni, My True Homeland. Let's take a quick listen to the melody.
Te fia fiai, o te saili mea e manuiai. Ia e ulu o la fai manu tuma, Samoa ia mo mia inu e mama. Tama Samoa sauni mai viinga ia whai le whawhetai lo tātonu, ia talosia lo tātonu.
This song is based on Psalm 122, verses 6 to 9. This particular psalm is part of a series of psalms known as Songs of Ascents. Psalm 122 verse 9 says, "For the sake of the house of Yahweh our God, I will seek your truth." That line appears in the first verse of this song, "O te sa ili mea Emmanuel, I will seek those things that are blessing to you. So blessings for a nation is the theme throughout this song. And when we go to Psalm 33 verse 12, we read, "Blessed is the nation whose God is Yahweh." But when we go back 2 verses, we read, "Yahweh nullifies the counsel or plans of the nations. He frustrates the thought or purpose of the people." Why does God do that? Because of disobedience. I have here a paper that was written by a 15-year-old Samoan girl. Her name is Aliana Bulemau. On page 3, Aliana asked 3 questions. What are we doing wrong? How can we fix this using the Word of God as the standard? And what are we ought to do? People start taking the focus off of the gospel and turn the center of attention to what man wills. Aliana goes on to say, adapting to multiple humanistic ideas comes with so much ease to us because it's what we want and what we purpose, not what God commands of us. Forgetting our purpose according to God is ultimately disobedience to Him. Those are profound words from a young girl. In a few words, she reveals the state of man, and she shows that the Word of God is still the standard. This young girl has a better grasp of the Bible and the state of man than many of our Samoan theologians, doctors, or those who teach in seminaries. And why? Because they have long given up the Word of God as the standard. This song reminds us that the nation God blesses and protects is the nation who obeys God's commandments and follows His will. Not man's will, not man's plan, not man's purpose, and certainly not man's words. So until the next song, may God keep you and make His face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.